What's good, people? This is DVG reporting to you live from nature once again. Yeah, I've just come to Hainult Forest again, but I didn't realise there's so many different entrances that you can enter the forest from. So again, I've never explored this part. Wow, it looks amazing. I hope you're all having a great day. Stay positive, be blessed, get out in nature, get some fresh air and enjoy yourself, guys. Peace, love and blessings. Let's go this way or that way. Left or right. It's always got to be the right hand path, so let's go right. Peace.